Coordinated security breaches have cost organizations millions of dollars, and share prices have dropped following a security breach, not to mention the cost in reputation. Since 2013, more than 200 breaches have been publicly disclosed on 7 global stock exchanges, and 65 were considered catastrophic. The world of security compliance and the addition of GDPR can be very confusing to navigate, and non-compliance can result in fines of up to 20 million euros for simple clerical errors, all the way up to more severe violations such as failing to obtain user consent. Do you know if you should be backing up data or not? Do you know the location of your data, and should the data be in specific countries? Do you have sufficient documentation and audit trails for all restore activity and subject requests? These are just some of the questions you could ask your customers to get this conversation going. Veeam's availability dashboards and reports can help prove compliance as it relates to GDPR and other similar regulations. Veeam has a market-leading ability to restore access and availability to data quickly following an outage, and Veeam's backup verification testing ensures organizations can assess and evaluate the effectiveness of stored data. To learn more about how you can help your customers with security compliance questions, concerns, and other top IT priorities, visit the Pro Partner portal or contact Veeam today.